I'm going to show you how to build an augmented reality town with Swift and echo3D for iOS. Once you have your project open in Xcode, you're going to go to the parent folder where you'll see targets and click on signing and capabilities. Once you're here, you're going to fill out your team information. You're going to have to modify the bundle identifier name, otherwise the build won't work, and just figure out these settings on your own. Once you get that up and running, next you're going to open the Echo AR file and you're going to insert your own API key if you plan on changing the project. If not, the project itself runs perfectly fine on its own. All the assets, meaning the API key and the entry IDs, are already embedded within the script. So all you would really have to do to see it work is export it onto your iPhone. So once you do that, you're good to go. But let's say you did want to poke around and you wanted to make something of your own or get under the hood and see how it works, no problem. What you're going to do in the Echo AR script is you're going to go find where it says enter API key. At the top over here is going to be where you can find your API key. And for each of these content cards, if you click over here in the corner, you'll see that there's an entry ID here, and that's where you will swap it out. You would add the entry ID to the view controller script, but I'll show you how to do that in a second. Just note that the API key and the entry IDs are going to be in two different scripts. If you go down here to the view controller script, you're going to see on lines 27 to 35, these are all of the 3D objects that we used for the project, and this is where you would swap out all of the entry IDs for each object. If you do end up uploading your own 3D assets or choosing different ones, please just take note of the security feature that we have here in the console in the left pane, all the way at the bottom. By default, we have the enable secret key box checked, meaning that you will have to enter a secret key to your code in order to access it. If you wanted to uncheck it temporarily, then you're welcome to do so. To learn how to embed this into your script, please check out our documentation about the secret key. That's also linked in the tutorial. Okay, now it's time to deploy. First, you want to make sure that your iPhone is in developer mode and that it is unlocked. And then you're going to connect your iPhone to your computer. It should recognize it right here at the top. There will be a drop down, select your phone, and you are ready to deploy. All you have to do next is hit the play button right here, and you'll get an update right over here, and let's check it out. Build successful.